Are you a lover of aged rum, and especially Caribbean rum? Today I'm going to review Plantation Double Aged Rum. Hi guys, so as you all know, the Caribbean has been probably the epicenter of rum production for hundreds of years now, and today I'm going to do a bit of a review of the Plantation Original Dark Double Aged Rum. And what these guys are doing are slowly, or probably a little bit more than slowly, making me love this brand so much that it's starting to become one of my favorite brands of rum. The Pierre Ferrand company has had a lot of dealings with the Caribbean and the Caribbean rum distillers for many years. And it was more because a lot of these really great Caribbean rum distillers wanted to age in ex-cognac barrels. This eventually presented an opportunity for the owner of Pierre Ferrand, Alexander Gabriel, to visit the Caribbean, and when he got there, he was totally blown away. This started a love affair with rum between Alexander Gabriel and the Caribbean, and what he did is he started trying to get his own stocks of Caribbean rum to get sent back to France. This was around 2005. You see, what they wanted to do at Pierre Ferrand is they wanted to really look at different terroir and the way that different rums were made and tasted from different islands in the Caribbean. He devised a plan to send these rums that were properly aged at the point where he wanted them to be sent over to Pierre Ferrand Cognac in France, and there they would then maturate or age them a little bit longer in the cognac barrels. And here they would age them a further amount of time in these Pierre Ferrand cognac barrels until they thought that they were exactly right. They believed that by adding that extra aging in the ex-cognac barrels would add a totally different type of complexity to the rums. And guess what? They were absolutely right. Let's give this one a try. So this one is from Barbados. Why is it called double aged rum? Obviously because it's been aged in Barbados for a certain amount of time, sent over to France. This one sits at 40% ABV. It's got a beautiful amber colour. Let's have a look at the legs. Got a really sort of nice oiliness there. On the nose, automatically I'm getting molasses. Kind of like a bit of chocolate. A little bit of sweetness there. More cacao than chocolate, like a cacao nib. Definitely vanilla, a little bit of caramel there. And if anything, a kind of sort of brandy fruitiness, Christmas cakey even sort of nose. Give it a try. Okay. Very, very flavoursome. I'm getting a really nice sweetness. Once again, that chocolate, cacao, orange, a little bit of coffee there. I'm not really getting any bitterness at all. I think it's a very well-balanced rum. Yeah, it's just sort of just sitting there. There's no alcoholic burn there whatsoever. Definitely getting that sort of toasted oak. Once again, chocolate, coffee, decadent, rich. This is a really, really good sipping rum. This is not an expensive rum by any means here in Australia. I've always been a little bit sort of more on the sweeter style of rums because I've got a little bit of a sweeter palate. This is not as sweet. I can definitely tell there's a little bit of sugar in there. I'm not sure whether the guys would tell us. But in a really, really good way. I think this would mix, well, I know that this mixes really well in cocktails, and I probably wouldn't add it with a mixer. If I was, it might be in a dark and stormy. I think would definitely work really well. However, there's nothing wrong with drinking this neat or on a really nice block of ice on its own. As far as the length goes there, yeah, look, the finish I'm getting is sweet. It does drop off, I would say, sort of a medium length. Then I'm left with a really nice, once again, chocolatey, sweet sort of bitterness, a kind of bittersweet not tannic or anything like that. I don't feel as though it's been overaged. I think it's been aged really, really well. The cognac itself, am I getting cognac in the rum? No, not necessarily, but I'm definitely getting that stone fruit, that, as I said, marzipan-y, Christmas cakey sort of finish there. I think this is a beautiful, well-priced rum. Definitely go out there, give it a try, buy a bottle, come into a bar like the 18th Amendment, and I think people need to drink a bit more rum. You know, well, I was talking about this recently with some of the other spirit specialists, and you know, American whiskey's flying at the moment. Single malt whiskey just continues to grow. Japanese, you just can't even get it anymore. And for many years, we've been saying as bartenders and people in the industry that rum is the next big thing. Rum is the next big thing. Well, I think it already is. I just think more people need to get out there and try it, because rum as a category is something that there are a lot of shocking, pretty crappy rums out there, but there are a lot of really nice ones too. So guys, please like, subscribe. For those of you in the rum Facebook pages that I tend to put my videos on, tell me, am I wrong? Okay, this is just my opinion, but I think you guys would definitely agree that rum is already good, and we just want people to drink more of it. Please like, subscribe, and we'll see you again soon on Let's Talk Drinks.